Hey guys, we have 3 plus 3 squared divided by 3 minus 2. 3 plus 3 squared means 3 times 3 equals 9, right? Divided by 3 minus 2. Now 3 plus 9 equals 12 divided by 3 minus 2. Now 12 divided by 3 equals 4, right? Minus 2, and 4 minus 2 equals 2. But this is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because exponent must be done before addition, right? Then multiplication and division must be done after exponent. Then addition and subtraction must be done after multiplication and division. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Exponent first, right? So now let's solve this correctly. 3 plus 3 squared means 3 times 3 equals 9 divided by 3 minus 2. Now divide first. 3 plus 9 divided by 3 equals 3 minus 2, right? Now addition and subtraction from left to right. 3 plus 3, 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 equals 4.